Hello everyone, welcome back to How to Daily. Today, I am going to show you how to automate your HubSpot workflow using Trello. This integration will help streamline your project management and CRM processes. Now start by connecting HubSpot and Trello through Zapier. Sign into your Zapier account and create a new Zap. Select HubSpot as your trigger app and choose a trigger event like New Deal Created. Then, select Trello as your action app. And choose an action like Create Card. Next, configure the specific details of your trigger and action. For example, you can set it up so that whenever a new deal is created in HubSpot, a corresponding Trello card is automatically generated in a specific board. So after setting up the Zap, run a test to ensure everything is working correctly. Create a new deal in HubSpot and see if the corresponding Trello card is created automatically. So once the Zap is working correctly, you can further automate your workflows by adding additional steps such as sending notifications or updating Trello cards based on changes in HubSpot. And that is how you automate HubSpot workflows with Trello using Zapier. Now, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe.